Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very low mileage 2012 Chevy Cruze LT. Stock number Z95418. Only 17,000 miles on this local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new. Silver ice metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, cloth interior. And of course, very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Body's free of dents or dings. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges, again only 17,000 miles. A driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 26 miles to the gallon and a city average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.